Hi guys, today he make it fried chicken. Shopay. Oh, and that is the cookie. Tagaloto. Oh my god. So this is the morning. What time now? It's 10:25. Busy. Kasi may order man ngayon. Fish, chicken, kainan time. Busy siya talaga. So busy yon isda yun guys. Tingnan nyo kasi may order na. Ang lalaki, oh my god. Ito yung kasina namin dito guys. This is the kitchen. O diba, kababa ko lang kasi nagising ako ng 8:30. Ayun pa guys, oh, taran, see, gagawa siya ng chicken masbos. Parang wala lang. Parang hindi lang antok. Parang hindi lang no 4:30 na matulog. Diba? Ang sakit. Bye!